How to save contacts to Google account. What is up everyone? In this tutorial I'll show you guys how to easily import and save contacts to your Gmail account. First thing you have to do is go to your phone's contacts. So I'll just go ahead and open contacts over here. Once you open contacts, tap on the three dots over here and go to settings. Once you head over to settings, go to export contacts. Now select the contacts that you want to export, all of the contacts. I'll just create a new internal storage, tap on export. It's gonna compress all of the contacts into one file, which then will be converted into a VCF file. Now tap on OK. All you have to do here is go to your contacts now. Now from your contacts, go to organize, and then from here you can just go ahead and scroll down to import from file. From here now you can just tap on import from file and then just tap on it. And once you tap on it, you should be able to choose the file from there. And here you'll find the file contacts.vcf. Just tap on it. Now the contacts will be imported shortly. That's basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.